And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 100. Let me show you how you can create a drop shadow. So we're still talking about the blending modes. Use the type tool, I size it up right here and let me give that a bluish color. Then I right click on this text layer and here are the blending options. Left click on it. Already talked about the stroke in the last video, but at the bottom right here you will find the drop shadow. Check the box and then left click on this category and you will have the options for it. Menu, you make that black, but you could give it any color. Then we have an opacity and the blending modes, which is the same as for the layer. We'll set it to normal and 100 in this case. And then you can left click drag on the canvas to reposition the angle and the distance. You can also do that manually here or use this circle. Below here is the distance. So you can also do that here with the slider or numerically. Spread, it kind of expands it or compresses it. And the size, this is basically the size of the blur that's added. Below under quality we have more options, and this one's interesting because the presets, they give you different appearances of the shadow. For example, here the ring gives you kind of like an outline effect for the drop shadow. The default is linear. So we're going to stick to that, at least for this tutorial. And you can directly add noise to your shadow right here. You can reset it to the default whenever you get lost, that's a good idea. If it vanishes, it's because of the angle and the position. So just left click drag it out of there and you should see it. Make sure to set the blending mode to normal, that's usually what you want. And then play around with the opacity. And that's it. This is how you can create a simple drop shadow in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.